Welcome back, guys, welcome back to the mobile. Today we will remove the side mirror and the door handle of this Smart 450. Like you can see in the video, with a plier, after remove the plastic cover, the rubber cover, you need to unscrew this kind of bolt and by hands remove it. After that, you unscrew two nuts, two bolts of the plastic cover. Under this cover you will reveal another 3 screws. Just make it loose, leave one on side, because otherwise the mirror will fall down. Thank you for watching, thank you for following the channel. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video and the content in general. And also 90% of you, they are not subscribing. I would like to reach 300 subscribers quite soon, and that will be possible with your help. Here you will see another screw. It's the only screw holding the door handle. Unscrew this. Done, you need to pull backwards at the same time pull towards outside. The door handle will come loose. With the plier you need to, like you will see now, remove the connector at the end of the cable, and door handle is free. I suggest while you remove the door handle just to spray some lithium grease to lubricate the lock, the mechanism or lock of the door.